Hi there, this tutorial will show you how to create a false color composite image using multiple images in Geographic Imager for Adobe Photoshop. Multispectral images contain information both inside and outside the visible electromagnetic spectrum. To use this information, the wavelengths outside the visible spectrum can be reassigned to the visible spectrum so that they become visible to the human eye. This is called a false color composite. In this tutorial, we will create a false color composite of downtown Toronto and surrounding areas. Multispectral satellite images will often consist of several grayscale images, with each image containing one of the wavelengths or bands of the electromagnetic spectrum. These images need to be combined into one image. The Adobe Photoshop function called Merge Channels merges images to create false color or true color composites. So the first thing I want to do is get my images in here, so I'm going to select the Advanced Import button. And I want to navigate to the Tutorial Data folder, and then inside of that the Landsat 7 Multispectral folder. And I want to open up Band 2, 3, and 4, which will be my green image, my red band, and my near infrared band. And so one thing to note here is that when creating false color composites, the images you are using must be of the same resolution and have the same spatial extents. So as you can see here, mine do have the same dimensions, and as you will see, they also are in the same spatial extent. But if they needed to be cropped, it is recommended to use the GeoCrop tool to assure that the extents of your images remain consistent. Alright, so we're all good. And there we go. So now what I want to do is open my channels panel, which I have docked here at the bottom, but if you needed to find it, it is in the window menu at the top as well. And so it doesn't matter which document I have open, I just want to select the panel options menu and select Merge Channels. So in this Merge Channels dialog box, I want to select RGB color and make sure that I have 3 channels. Alright, so now I need to specify which of my images will be occupying each channel. So I want my red to be band 4, green to be band 3, and blue to be band 2. Click OK. And there we go. So you can see that a false color composite image with georeferencing has been created. The band combination chosen here is also known as the standard false color composite combination, with band 4, band 3, and band 2 occupying your RGB channels. And a standard false color composite makes the vegetation appear in shades of red because vegetation reflects a lot of near infrared light. So this basically means in this image, the brighter the red, the healthier the vegetation. And you can also see that urban areas appear to be blue-gray on a standard false color composite. There are many other combinations that you can create using these channels, and I will show them on the screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.